Hello, welcome to Chapter 3, Source Documents, Part 1. I'll try this one more time. This is your general journal you're looking at. The instruction says you're to look at the source documents. Determine from the source documents what is happening. If you look at this source document, this is a receipt, a cash receipt. The owner invested money into the business. You tell for investment. This is the owner's name, and the amount is $5,000. Form 1 just means they're telling you this is Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4, so on. It's for you to keep track that you do it in the right order. The receipt number's here. The date is here. You have to find those dates. This here is a check stub. That means you wrote a check to National Supply Co. for supplies. So your account title is supplies. It's not National Supply. Your account title is supplies and cash. The amount of this check is $200. The date on this check is the 3rd of May. This is check stub 1, check stub 2, memorandum 1. You purchase supplies on account. Remember, when you purchase something on account, a cash is, you don't mess with cash. A lot of people try to do that. It's accounts payable. Memorandum. Here's a check stub. Here's another check stub. This is a cash register tape. This is the total, the $650. Maybe $200 was in hardware and $450 was in clothing. That could be why those two are divided like that. The date of the transaction is May 12th. The cash register tape or source document is T12. Then this one is where you sold or did services on account. Notice it's not a receipt. It's a sales invoice. This is for $1,200. That is the number you need to worry about. You don't need to divide this up unless you get further down the road and you start to departmentalize your revenue and your expenses. So then that's when that becomes a concern. Right now you're just concerned with the $1,200. Here's the date. 2, 10, and 30 means if you pay within 10 days, then you get a 2% discount. But all of it, no matter what, is due within 30 days. Here's who you sold it to. This is your name of your business. If you look up there, you can tell it from your chart of account. Here's a check stub. Here's cash register tape, check stub, cash register tape, check stub. Notice amount of the check, $200. Don't go using any of this other stuff. Here was a deposit made, see? You need to know the $20 for the transaction. On this, it's a receipt. They're paying on account. Notice it's on account. Here's another check stub. Same here, check stub, cash register tape, check stub. This is an unused check stub and it's showing the recording of the deposit. That's why it's there. Okay, I'm going to do part 2.